Along with the rest of the country, the 13th National Voters' Day was observed also in Meghalaya today. In Shillong, the program was organized by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer at the Assembly Secretariat, Old Assembly Building in Kandailalad. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, who graced the occasion as chief guest, administered the voters' pledge, besides flagging off the vintage car rally and released the I Vote for Shia music video. A marathon was also organized as part of National Voters' Day. While speaking on the occasion, Walang said that the importance of this celebration was to remind every citizen of this country of their rights as voters. In West Jaintia Hills District, the celebration was organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mukla, in presence of DC, West Jaintia Hills District, Batlang Solia, as chief guest. President Draupadi Murmu today said that young voters have the responsibility to raise awareness of the democratic process in the country. In New Delhi, the President awarded the National Media Award to All India Radio News for carrying out an outstanding campaign for voters' awareness and education in the electronic media category.
इस वर्ष की राष्ट्रीय मतदाता दिवस की थीम है नथिंग लाइक वोटिंग, आई वोट फॉर श्योर, अर्थात वोट जैसा कुछ नहीं, वोट जरूर डालना चाहिए। ये थीम मतदाताओं के संकल्प को व्यक्त करती है। इस प्रकार निर्वाचन आयोग और मतदाताओं के सम्मिलित योगदान से हमारे देश की चुनाव प्रक्रिया को बल मिलता है।
President Draupadi Murmu will address the nation today.